Good morning, guys. So, I feel like I've been starting every single vlog out here on this bench on my front porch, literally for a while now. But I'm just taking Tinsley out. I worked for a little bit and then I just got ready. I have a hair appointment today, and so I'm gonna get my hair cut and colored. I have two different pictures to choose from. One is kind of similar to what I got done last time, and then the other is something completely different and a lot darker. I haven't decided which one I'm gonna do yet. I kind of want to go darker and try something new, but then I kind of just want to stay with the same thing because I do have my bachelorette party and my bridal shower coming up, and what if I hate it? You know what I mean? So I don't know. I kind of want to stick with the blonde and everything. So I don't know. I'll decide on my way there, but I gotta get her inside and then I gotta leave in 10 minutes. So that's what we got going on today. I'm gonna have to come home and work for a little bit more. And then I'm gonna cook dinner. We're having tacos. Oh, it's Wednesday, not Tuesday. No, it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday. Okay, so yeah, we're having tacos. Taco Tuesday. Okay, yeah, but that's what we got going on. I need to sweep and mop the floors downstairs because we have our new sectional coming in. We ordered a custom sectional that will fit down there perfectly and so nice. I'm so excited for it. So it's coming tomorrow. So I really need to sweep and mop the floors tonight. Busy day, busy day. I have some Poshmark orders I need to drop off at the post office too. All right, so I'm gonna get her inside and I'll talk to you guys later.
The cutest little baby, come here. Oh my goodness, so precious, so cute, so perfect, yeah.
Okay, so I just got back from getting my hair done. This is the finished product. I like it. She added some painted on up here. I think it looks real cute. And then I got it trimmed as well. So I got a little bit taken off. But yeah, I ended up going with something pretty similar to what I had last time. Only a lot more blonde and less rooted. So yeah. All right, now I'm gonna make some tacos for dinner. I'm literally so excited. Real quickly, I'll just show you guys my outfit. So this is the shirt that I got from Shein for $6. And then these are the Walmart mom jeans for $17. So stinking cute, so stinking cheap. Please ignore my disgusting office. I have to take pictures for Poshmark. A bunch of clothes. And then these are just sandals from Target. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna make some tacos because I'm hungry. Got our tacos. So we got sour cream, taco meat, black beans, the fire roasted rotel, cheese, salsa, and some lettuce. What are your thoughts? 10 out of 10? Emily's let me try some and I will let you know. I don't know why it looks like I have a black eye there. That's so weird. So I am going to work for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go and sweep and mop the basement, and then I need to get all of the bachelorette party and bridal shower stuff organized because it's all currently just in a big huge pile in my dining room. So yeah, gotta do that. Brandon's watching The Office. I'm sure you can hear that, but I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, which is Wednesday, and it's actually the afternoon because I haven't even vlogged yet. Tinsley is over there eating. But I'm making chicken pot pie for dinner tonight. And so what I did, I went ahead and put chicken in my crock pot on high. And I just did chicken breasts. I did 3 of them. And I put them in my crock pot so that way I could shred them. I didn't have to actually cook them and shred them. And this way it's so much faster. So if you ever want shredded chicken, put it in your crock pot. But yeah, so then I will just put in some pie crust with some veggies and cream of chicken. I did have to buy some different kind of veggies though, than what I normally buy, just because they were out of literally everything. So I had to get this veg-all. I don't know, hopefully it's good. I mean, they're just mixed vegetables, so I feel like they can't be that different, but whatever. So that's what we're having for dinner. I'm gonna show you guys the basement real quick because they are dropping off our sectional today. They haven't yet, but we cleaned it, and like I told you guys the other day, or yesterday, I got all of the Christmas stuff out. So I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. And look, if you guys watched my, I think it was, my Christmas wedding haul, then y'all know this was completely full of Christmas stuff. I have it all organized in like our back rooms back there, like our back little storage rooms. I did have to, because there was a lot of like nail holes in the walls, so I did have to go in and kind of, oh, did I sand that one? Damn it, no, I forgot to sand that one. I did have to go in and put some like putty and like sand them down. So I have to paint those tomorrow. I didn't have time last night. A lot of nail holes over there. But this is where our new sectional is gonna go. It's gonna go right here, and it's gonna be awesome and perfect. Tinsley. You were so cute. You were so cute. Okay, so some more exciting news. We're getting our new sectional today, and we're getting a new washer and dryer. Brandon went to go pick it up right now. I am so excited because we haven't had a washer and dryer for a hot minute, and so we've been having to wash and dry all of our clothes at my parents' house or Brandon's parents' house. So I'm so excited, literally so excited to have a washer and dryer. Okay, so I'm going to work for a little bit, and I will talk to you guys later. Got our new sectional. It's so stinking cute. That booty though. Those have wheels on it? What do you think? Hey guys. So, we got our new sectional and accidentally took a 4-hour nap on it. So, whoops. So it is now Thursday. Yes, I'm still wearing the exact same hoodie. I've changed the rest of my clothes, but I'm still wearing this hoodie. Okay, I really quickly wanted to show you guys the jacket I made. So if you guys remember my Shein haul, I showed you guys a jean jacket, and I told you I was gonna make like a bride jean jacket. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like real quick because I finally finished it, and it looks so stinking cute. I was gonna make a video on it, but it was literally like so fast and so easy that I was like, there's no point because this is literally so easy to make. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick and I'll just kind of explain what I did. This is the finished product. Isn't it so stinking cute? Okay, so first on the little flap, I put future. My mom is the one that actually put the words. She used her Cricut and she just like made them on her Cricut. I had no idea how to use the Cricut, so I guess it's not technically that easy. I don't know how to use it. I just have not learned yet. So my mom went ahead and made this. So it just says Mrs. Spain, and then with our wedding date, 12/5/2020 in Roman numerals. And then, like I said, it says future up here. So that way, you know, you can take it down and put it back up. So there's that. And then I sewed all of these on by hand. I just bought the pearls off of Amazon. And it was super, like, easy. It didn't actually take as long as I thought it was going to take. I literally thought it was going to take hours, but I literally got it done in, like, a couple episodes of New Girl, so it wasn't bad at all. Oops. I accidentally knocked a hat off. And so I put it on here as well, like, on the front part of it, and then I just used, like, the little mini ones to put on, like, the pocket. But it looks so cute. It's definitely, like, an oversized jean jacket, which I like. Really cute and adorable. Obsessed. But it was literally so quick, so easy, and like super affordable. If you wanted to like buy one of these on Etsy, they're like over $50. They're so expensive. So I literally made my own for like 25 bucks, so like half the price. And you could honestly probably find a jean jacket even cheaper than that. But so cute. I will link everything down in the description box down below in case you guys want to make your own. You guys are not gonna believe what I freaking did. So last night I took the chicken out, shredded it, put it in like Tupperware and everything, and then I set it out since it was like steaming, piping hot. I like set it out just for a few minutes so that way whenever I like put it in the fridge, it didn't get like that gross stuff that it gets on whenever like you put something hot in the fridge. So I set it out for a couple minutes and I was like, oh, I'll come back and put that up. Never put it in the freaking fridge. So now I spent all that time and work to shred that freaking chicken, and now I don't even have chicken for the chicken pot pie. Dang it all to hell. Ugh. I'm so upset with myself because I was so looking forward to that today. It was going to be so good. And dang it, I already unthawed my pie crust. Dang it. So I'm either going to have to go buy some more chicken and just literally redo it, or we're not having chicken pot pie this week. So upset with myself. You can make it with like canned chicken. I just didn't want to make it with canned chicken this time. But now I kind of wish I would have. Dang it. This is real life, man. This is real life. I literally do this stuff all the freaking time. Like I'll put like leftovers and stuff in a container and then completely forget to put it in the fridge. So then it just goes bad. Good morning, guys. So it is now Friday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I apologize. I feel like this whole vlog was just like super duper boring. I didn't have a whole lot going on. I apologize. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Just because I'm literally not gonna be doing anything today. I just have to work, and then I am gonna self-tan tonight. Maybe. Hopefully I get around to self-tanning. But tomorrow I am going to pick up my wedding dress, and I'm so freaking excited. Literally so dang excited. So I'm going to do that tomorrow, and I think I'm going to vlog it. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. You guys may see it. You guys might not. I don't know. We'll see. But I wanted to go ahead and finish our vlog with a Bible verse, like we've been doing recently. So I decided I would pick one that kind of had to do with like anxiety, because I'm just an extremely anxious person all the dang time. So I'm going to start at Hebrew 13:5. So let's do this thing. God has said, I will never fail you. I will never abandon you. So we can say with confidence, the Lord is my helper, so I will have no fear. What can mere people do to me? All right, so that is it for the Bible verse. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I promise my vlogs are going to get a lot more entertaining to watch and less boring, because I got some fun stuff coming up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.